It is heavy. It really is. Like, this is not a light mic by any means. It's bottom heavy, obviously. So it's got the XLR input here. It is thick. So we're gonna put this on. I mean, look, first of all, as we do this live stream, just look at how nice that is. It's a nice grill. Like, this feels like a Shure SMC. Like, this feels like you'd be paying like $300, not $99. That is how quality this feels. But obviously it is gonna matter more about what we're gonna do. They also have a cable that you can get, a really nice long cable. So I recommend getting this one. Check, 1, 2, can you hear that? Let me just double check this here. Audio check. Okay, so you should be able to hear it.